Hello, friends. Today we are going to commence the new series on the part of Resonance English School, the simple tricks to learn the English language. We have the various plans related to that, and today I want to tell you that English speaking is nothing but the matter of the constant phenomena. Please understand yourself as a child, and equally the child when he is infant up to 7 or 8 months. The child goes to listen to the various sounds and try to discriminate, try to division the sounds. Means first the child is going to listen. So to learn the language, listening practice is very essential. Through these YouTube channel and videos, all the watchers, the students of Resonance English School, the parents also can get the opportunities to listen to various types of English matters. So it will solve the English listening purpose. The second important thing is, after listening to various sounds, the child tries to utter, to speak some of the sounds like a, ba, pa, etc. Because that is nothing but the beginning of the sounds, and those sounds are just spoken by the child, uttered by the child. And equally, it means the early learners have to speak some small sentences as being the child. And that practice will also be provided through various videos in this English speaking sessions of Resonance English School channel. Then there are the two practices, and they are reading and writing. But that is totally different phenomenon. For reading and writing, there will be different videos. So that's why listening and speaking, these two exercises we are going to take mainly. And the first session of this particular listening and speaking practice, that session will be for 90 days. Means there will be at least one video after 1 day or 2 days. And then the proper suggestions will be given, the proper information will be given. And it is request that everybody should do the practice. Keep in mind, only listening do not matter. You have to speak. And we will do some of the experiments also. And those experiments will definitely give you the practice. And then very slowly you can be the able listener. Okay? This can be done daily. And if you do it daily, then definitely you will be in contact of this one. इसको हर रोज करना बहुत जरूरी है. So frequently the videos will be uploaded
म्हणजे आता ते 11 दिवस काय गणपती आहे
and you have to go
त्याच्यामुळे राज्य सरकारचं आहे बरं
after the videos you have to open the YouTube channel
नाही
and if you like this particular effort
नाही या परवा दिवशीपासून
then definitely you can subscribe the channel, you can like the channel and you can share the channel. So
गणपती 22 ला
today is 18th of August
एखादं दिवस देतील पुन्हा सूट
2020. So we are going to begin this unique phenomenon. Maybe so many videos are there on YouTube, the other channels are there for speaking.
रूपामध्ये 4 फुटात
Everybody has his own methods to just classify and at the same time to propagate and to make the people know about it. And we will also try to take the different types of exercises which will just give you the practice to listen to and at the same time to speak also. So this is the English speaking, learning, listening with Raisins English School, Mahesh Penke. Thank you very much. Thank you.